welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Madison, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these beachy waves. So the tool that I used is this bedhead tool. It's like a crimper. It kind of looks like that. Like it just has like the S shape kind of going on, and I think it turned out really good. I've never used this tool before. I usually just French braid my hair and go to sleep, but honestly this looks the exact same as if I was to do that. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. All right, so all you're going to need for this tutorial is a hair tie, a hairbrush, and just your favorite hairspray. So to start off, I'm just gonna brush my hair. My hair is naturally straight. First off, make sure your hair is not newly washed, because it's easier to keep the curl or the wave in your hair like that. First, I'm gonna take my hair tie and I'm gonna split my hair down the, like in the back. So I'm gonna start off at the top of my ears and just go back. Okay, so now your hair is gonna be like this. And so I'm gonna be taking the bedhead waver, and it looks like this. The barrel looks like that. So taking my hair, I'm gonna be taking two pieces from this chunk. I'm gonna take these two and just move that. And then I'm gonna, let me see. Yeah, it's hot. So you're just gonna take one and hold it for like 5 or 6 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually 10 seconds. And then let it go, and then just continuously do that down the whole bottom of your hair. To keep like a little bit straight on the end so it looks more natural and like it's all not waved, you know? So like that little piece. So then it looks like that. It kind of looks like a braid, like when you take a braid out, that's what it looks like. So next I'm gonna do the same thing with this piece of hair. I'm just gonna start up here. Whoa, why did that not go in? I'm gonna start up here and just clamp it down and hold for like 10 seconds. So that's what that looks like. Okay, moving on to the other side, I'm gonna do the same exact thing, just part these two pieces and then start from the top. Be careful and don't clamp your ear. There's that piece, and then I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the other piece. Okay, so this is what the bottom half of my hair looks like. I'm gonna do the rest. Okay, so I'm just gonna push this back and out of the way, and I'm gonna take another half of my hair and just do the same exact thing. So I'm gonna take the second half of my hair and just move it to the front, and then move this to the back that we already did. So I'm just gonna brush it out. This is probably like 3 pieces, so I'm gonna take the first one in the back. so now the second half is done. We're gonna move on to the top of the head. So what I like to do is, even when I'm straightening my hair, I like to hair tie back the parts that I already did. So I'm just gonna take the back of my hair and just tie it up. And then, so all you have now is the top of your hair, which I have a lot of layers on my hair, so wow, I just crushed my brush. I've been sitting on it. Okay, anyway, I'm just gonna split my hair how I do, which I always do it down the middle. Wow, what if I cut my hair this short? I feel like, no, I did that once and it was terrible. Anyway, all right, we're just gonna brush out the top, and then I'm gonna start on one side. Okay guys, so this is what your hair will look like. It's a big wave, and it gives my hair more volume too. I like that. So I'm just gonna go in with a hairspray, and I'm gonna be taking the Tresemme hairspray, and this is a 5, so which means it'll hold better. I don't want to use like a lot of hairspray. I'm also gonna go in with a foam, and this is from L'Oreal, and it looks like this. And you're just gonna want, what? You're just gonna want to go in and take a little bit on your hand, like that. And then I just like to put it all to one side, and just rub it around in your hands, and then just push it up, so it gives it more volume. And it makes it look more wet, like it gives it that wet effect, and that's like my favorite. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more and then do the same thing. And just scrunch it up. So this is what you will have. Okay guys, so this is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed me doing my hair and showing you how I achieve these waves. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.